Hind Friends, welcome to Ace Gadgets. In this video, we will talk about review and quality of Boat Stone Granite 5-watt portable speaker. This is waterproof wireless Bluetooth speaker with built-in microphone, and it supports all kind of Bluetooth compatible devices. If we will talk about the specification, this Bluetooth speaker comes with 5-watt output having frequency ranges up to 18 kHz, which represents its bass as well as loudness. It comes with 1200 mAh of battery, who gives us in between 6 to 7 hours of playback time, and the device will charge within 2 hours. We will see the complete specification after doing the unboxing, so now let's go ahead and do the unboxing. As I already told you, this is waterproof 5-watt speaker who comes with 5.0 Bluetooth connectivity, and it also has a cool feature which is auto power off. Means if your device will disconnect, then it will automatically switch off after 5 minutes, which will help you to save the battery. It also has voice assistant. If we will talk about battery, it comes with 1200 mAh of battery who gives us up to 7 hours of continuous playback time. As we can see, inside of the box it has user manual and warranty card. One micro USB cable for charging, one 3.5 cable, and most important thing, which is the stylish, highly designed speaker. With this speaker you will get a boat printed tag, black in color, and a powerful strap. Front side it has power button, then play button, and after that volume down and volume up button to adjust the sound. It comes with good built-in quality, wrapped with woven, and it also has metallic body. Downside we can see a rubber vacuum pad which is being used to prevent the water or any other type of liquid, because inside of this pad it has a micro SD card slot, one 3.5 jack for aux cable, and charging port, as well as upper side of the charging port there is a LED light which is red in color, who indicates that your device is plugged in to the charger. Let's go ahead and connect to listen the sound and audio quality of this device. Hold the power button for 1 or 2 seconds. It will turn on. Then go ahead and search the device in your mobile phone under Bluetooth section. It appears under the name of Boat Stone Granite. Tap and connect. Let's play the audio.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair. You're now connected to Boat Stone Grenade.
That's awesome. Sound quality is totally awesome, as well as loud.
Disconnected.
Let's see how much time it will take to auto connect after pairing.
Adios, amigo. Powering on. Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair. You're now connected to Boatstone Grenade.
Awesome guys, it connects within a second after turning on. It's time to check the bass quality by the help of bubbles. So let's play the music. In my point of view, bass quality is best. If you will talk about 5-watt speaker, its bass quality is much better than expectation. Now moving forward, if we will talk about the pros or good things in this speaker, it has good build quality due to its metallic body and woven wrap. This speaker is portable as well as easy to hang. If you are going on mountains, then its strap will help you to hang the speaker on your travel bag and enjoy the music while trekking. This is lightweighted so you can carry easily here and there. Quality of bass is totally awesome. It supports voice assistant, and the most important thing, this speaker is waterproof. If we will talk about the cons, in my point of view, there is no cons for this Boatstone Grenade speaker. Few users said on a button got damaged within a month, but in my case I didn't face any type of issue with this speaker. So I think it will depend on to you how caring you are about your gadgets. In summarize, we can say this is a mini compact portable speaker which is lightweighted, comfortable for small parties like sitting with friends, chiller party at home, etc. This speaker is good for outdoor as well. If you are traveling somewhere, then you can enjoy the sound quality as per your mood at your favorite destination. This speaker is good for single room or 2 BHK flat. If you are a student and living alone, then definitely go for it. It will help you to relax your mood as well as you can listen your favorite songs in the free time. Goodbye friends, see you again in the next video.